Donald Trump's tax returns have finally come out and everybody's going crazy. How's it going, everybody? This is Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. I wanted to make the video in regards to everybody going crazy in regards to the amount of money that Donald Trump has been writing off and the small amount of money he had to pay in taxes. And a lot of people are going, on a tangent, talking about how he got over on everyone. He's not for the amount of money he made, he should pay more in taxes and everything. And I don't probably have a different perspective on that. Everyone knows I'm an accountant by profession. He even had 1 year, I think he owed $750. You guys gotta understand when you're business owners and everything, and prospective entrepreneurs, you need to make sure that you have proper accounting in place where you're actually covering all of your expenses and covering all your deductions. Now, here's the deal: you have two perspectives you want to look at it from. If you're a wealthy person, you're making an immense amount of money. You're looking to mitigate those losses, uh, uh, mitigate, and also make sure you're in a situation where you don't have this humongous tax liability. So again, you're talking about a person that makes a lot of money in one direction, and he makes has massive losses in another direction. I think the golf courses and everything are bleeding him dry, but he's making a ton of money and everything in regards to some of his commercial real estate investments. The flip side of it is all the income he's making. This is what I think a lot of people are getting confused. They're getting it confused from a perspective looking at that he's actually making his net worth and the actual amount of money is the same thing. In actuality, his net worth is increasing because those assets that he owns, those hotels, and even some of the golf courses, they're appreciating. Now, again, they may be, from an expense standpoint, maybe, bleeding them dry and everything, but actually the actual asset being the hotels, the office buildings, and different other businesses, they're increasing in value. So that's going back to his net worth, where you can always leverage that out and borrow money against that. But again, when you're in those situations, you need to make sure that you got someone that's on your side to help you mitigate, the actual tax liability that you may have. And I think sometimes, we need to focus less on what he isn't doing and probably focus on more what he is doing and learn from it. The second part of that is I try to get people to be aware of, and this is not really an issue with Donald Trump, but just say you're a prospective business owner, you want to grow your business, you're a young entrepreneur in business. You got to look at it too. You have to from the opposite from what he's doing. You need to be reporting income, showing everything, because again, if you get in a situation where you actually want to borrow money and leverage out your business, you got to show some kind of activity and growth in your business and everything. Donald Trump probably not a good example to look at it because he's a billionaire. But the average person is trying to grow their business. You need to be understanding that I need to be showing this income so I can potentially be able to go to a bank or go to investors and show, hey, listen, I'm already making X amount of dollars already. If you give me this amount of money, I can double and triple and pay you back this. Uh, and those are the two different perspectives. Whereas you're trying to hide, or trying to, I don't say hide, but reduce what's being reported, and the other side where you're trying to show it. And like I said again, what Donald Trump is doing, what anybody in the same situation would be doing, and then they're trying to reduce the amount of money that they're reporting that they did. It's not nothing illegal. It's just being a small business person. I just think because who it is and what he's doing, that's what's going on. And I'm not a big Donald Trump political fan myself, but I think it is something to be learned about people that are doing things that you aspire to do in business and everything. So sometimes we take our personal feelings and opinions out of things we can put ourselves in a position where we can get some information. So I would advise everyone get out of proper some of the headlines, dig a little deeper, kind of see how he was able to write off some of these losses. What was he able to do? What was the kind of things that he was those businesses he was able to report that were had those losses and be able to apply them to the businesses that will thrive, and how he was able to reduce his tax, his taxable income and everything. So just take it upon yourself to do that, but also remember the other side of it is too aspiring entrepreneurs. If you're actually trying to grow your business, you need to be doing the opposite. You need to be showing the amount of money you are, and like I always say on the shows, go talk to them lenders, find out what they want to see, find out what they want to know, and everything, because the actual situation and the position that he's in, again, that's the 1% of the people that are walking around that are billionaires and everything that are able to do that kind of stuff. So the average person or average um, business owner or aspiring business owner, you won't be able to do that because again, you're trying to get to that point. So kind of learn from it, read up on the information, and don't get caught up in the headlines. But I just want to touch bases on that, in regards because a lot of people put a lot of different information out about what happened and what he didn't do in regards to his tax liability and income he had made. But just want to challenge you to kind of do your own homework and look into everything. Again, this is Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. Short Dollar, where we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, business, and real estate investing. Also, check out our weekly show. It's bi-weekly show, I'm sorry. The Dollar Hour, where we talk about different subjects dealing in business, entrepreneurship, and everything as well. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Got a lot of good information, a lot of great videos. Got some courses coming down the pike. Sign up for the newsletter. All my video links, there's the newsletter link. Sign up for that so you can stay updated as well. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Look forward to giving you guys some more great information. Take care.